Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to talk about different model providers. And the first distinction I want to make here is this horizontal line, because there are proprietary models and on the other side open source or open weight models. So proprietary models are also called closed source, and you're only able to work with these models based on some API key. So you need to have an account at the service provider. You authenticate yourself via your API key, and then you are free to go and use the model. And the most prominent providers in this area are OpenAI with several models. Then of course Gemini is also in here. We have XAI with Grok, Anthropic with Claude 3.7 Sonnet at the time of the recording. So these are just some of the different models in this area. But then there are also the open source or open weight models. Just some words on the difference. Open source would mean that all the underlying data as well as the complete procedure for training a model has been disclosed by the developers. Often that's not the case. Often they are only providing, here's the model, this is the model file with all the weights, feel free to use it, and that's it. The most prominent member of this is Meta with the Llama family. So they are providing access to the model weights and you can use it, but not the complete process and not the complete training data has been disclosed. Other ones are, for example, Mistral with a model that can be used as open weight. Yeah, there are many others as well. In the next lecture, we are going to make our first coding script. So you will find out how you can interact with these models and work with them via Python. And that's it for this lecture. Thanks a lot and see you there.